fine. Johnny and Rocky to bring your chairs with you. When I say, go. And we're gonna walk, not run.
Yes.
Go. Come on up.
Rocky's my favorite.
And then everyone else, come find a seat up here. Thomas, come on up, join us.
Yo, how come you're blessing us?
How come on what?
Thomas, you
Not blessing
Thomas,
us.
you don't
You
need your
should
chair.
be blessed.
No,
We're
you don't
only
need your chair.
children.
You don't need your chair. Peyton, you don't need your chair, honey. There's already two.
You see,
Nope.
we're the Tarmitage.
Okay. I have this bracelet here. It
Is it
has
stretchy?
a little stretchy. It has Miss Armitage's name on it.
It says Tarmitage.
Which is
Hold on.
T. Armitage. The username.
Oh, you get to flip it.
Yeah,
Or
somehow
Armitage,
the letters
the
got
T
mixed up.
is
But
yellow.
let's count how many beads I have here. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There are 8 letters in Miss Armitage's last name.
What?
8 letters.
Seriously?
Now, I'm gonna.
Oh,
Oh no! Oh no! No! Leave those there.
did you mean to break it?
I
You
broke
broke-
it.
You broke Miss Armitage's heart.
I have one left.
So she got one letter in her name.
So I need to buy these beads again.
What?
I have to buy the beads so I can spell her name. So how many beads am I going to need to buy?
8.
Don't.
Sorry.
No, remember, champs. I love how these 2 hands went up. And I know you get so excited, and I love that.
I just love when Mr. K teaches us.
Okay. How many do we need? Thank you for raising your hand.
So,
7. So I need 7 of the 8. I have to buy 7 of the 8 beads. How many of the 8 beads do I have?
1.
1.
You really don't have to buy them.
1 8.
Hey.
Or I have 7 8s, or 7 of the 8s.
You really don't have to buy them.
Oh, I do.
You could just pick it up.
Oh, we could. And you know what? Maybe after our lesson, we might do that.
No, can we do an Easter egg hunt? I meant an Easter bead hunt.
Does it have to do with our lesson?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Can we do an Easter bead hunt?
That doesn't have to do with our lesson.
Please.
We're being recorded. Then when we get it, we have to do something with our lesson.
Yeah. Okay. What do I have on my cutting board there?
Orange.
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 Are you getting a really sharp knife?
Now how many oranges do I have?
No.
2.
So I have 2 whole oranges. Now,
I'm gonna use a big knife.
okay.
Like
I need a helper, and I'm looking for a helper that's following champs. Would you be my helper?
Yeah.
Could you go get whiteboards for me? Markers? Or dry erase markers?
So I'm just gonna.
And then something to erase with, is there? Oh, you have this erase, cool. Okay, while he's getting that, I want you to think about this orange. How many ways, or what's the best way for me to cut that orange so I can eat it? I have an idea.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna cut it. No, you don't want surgery.
All
You don't
right.
want major surgery.
Do we have the whiteboards?
I don't have any markers.
Mr. K, we don't want major surgery. Yeah.
Could I have one of these two?
Recorded by the camera.
Okay,
Don't need one because I already got one.
here's my
I
note.
already got one of the erasers.
So thank you.
Don't. You're major surgery in my
There's an
brain.
eraser right here.
Open up
Okay,
my
same.
Okay,
brain.
let's watch how I'm cutting my,
right anyway.
let's watch how I'm cutting my orange. So I've cut it in half. How many parts do I have?
2.
I have 2 parts. That's still too big for me to eat.
2 of 4.
What do you mean?
Now I'm
You're a
taking this
grown-up.
whole orange, and I'm cutting it into
21.
how many parts?
4.
How many parts does he have?
2.
4.
I have 4 parts. Now, I'm gonna cut this. This looks like a, is that what I call that?
Yeah, they got it a blue. Ooh. I love those oranges. Oh, what the heck?
All right. So,
They haven't made a thing.
Johnny,
Yeah, you're gonna let me cut them?
remember our champs. What does our
No.
champs tell us? When teacher's talking and we're having instruction, what should our voice level be?
0.
It should be 0, thank you. So I brought 2 oranges, I cut each one into fourths. Now I can easily eat them, right?
No.
Now,
Yes.
1 orange, put these back together.
What?
This 1 orange represents a whole. So how many pieces are in my whole?
2.
So what's our unit?
2.
Can I zoom it?
2 times 4.
Our unit is fourths. Now,
That's 2 times 2.
how many pieces are in my total plate here? How many pieces do I have in my total? On my plate?
8.
I have 8. So I have 8 eighths or 8 fourths?
8 4.
Oh my gosh, that is so good. You guys are so
I
smart.
meant to say 8 fourths, I said 8 eighths.
There's 8 fourths because
Here's the way I did it.
I cut my hole.
Because sometimes I cut it like this, but it's like diagonal.
I cut my hole into another 4
What is
pieces.
going on with that orange?
It's a little
It's a blood orange.
blood orange. There we go. I
Blood.
didn't know. All right, what I want you to do is take your dry erase boards, make
Itchy.
2 oranges,
Okay.
and then show me how I cut those 2 oranges.
You grab the knife.
Johnny. Thank you.
There.
Now, is that how you cut the oranges? How did I cut those oranges? Show me. A little dramatic.
What?
All right. So I see 4, 4, 4, 4. Exactly. Now, I'm a very, 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 very hungry person if you haven't noticed.
What?
You're skinny.
So, I'm going to eat my whole orange.
Which is 4 pieces.
No, please don't take the blue.
I'm going to eat this whole orange. And
Just
that,
pretend.
I'm still hungry, so I'm also going to eat that.
Please
many-
leave us a blood orange.
How many pieces did I eat?
5.
5, 4,
5.
4, 1.
Wait, what'd you
4
say?
and 1. 5. So everyone's right.
Look
4,
what I did.
1.
Now, did I eat, how many fourths did I eat?
1.
How many?
5.
How many of the fourths did I eat?
5.
It's a
I ate
confusing
5 of the fourths. So these are all, Johnny, these are all 1/4 pieces.
That's 2 4, that's 3 4, and that's 4 4.
So this all went into here. Okay, it's in my belly.
Bigger than your fist.
Now I want you to shade
That was
in
big.
the number of pieces that I've eaten.
Okay.
How many pieces did I eat? Shade in the area that shows how many pieces I ate.
This is going to be easy to us.
We all have a blood orange. No.
No. That's
They
blood.
did
Now.
not make it that.
I wouldn't
I
just.
see lots of people shading in 5.
Look,
Nice.
that's how much you ate it.
Nice job, Johnny. Help me with your name again.
Rocky.
Rocky.
Hey, Bo. Hey, Bo.
Thomas.
Both.
Help me
Or
with
Rocky
your name.
O'Neil Ross. B-R.
That's not
Brian.
my name.
And then
It's
help me with
Rock-
your
it's
name.
Rocky O'Neil
Pete.
Ross. Remember, best friends with Jordan?
Rocky Rios.
That's right. All right,
Look, I
so
made even a division thing. Okay? I made fractions.
we're gonna talk about that in just a minute. So everyone has 5/4. Go ahead and erase your board for me.
I just want to color it.
Put your caps back on your marker.
We should get an orange marker. Get an orange.
And then I want you to pass your boards all the way over this way.
Yay! I get my mom.
You do not get your mama.
Keep passing.
Over.
Mama's dead, mama.
Keep
Oh, that's
passing.
Rude.
All right,
That's really
I think
rude.
our champ said our voice level should be 0, and if we wanted to
Thomas!
talk,
Brian, you're not
we
even
had
being
to
recorded.
ask permission. So who's gonna raise their hand?
Mr. K, right here.
There.
Mr. K, I want to pick them up.
Great.
So we're gonna have
Because
to.
we may have to raise them again. I don't know.
Yay!
Okay.
Can I pick yours up? Can I pick yours up?
What do you notice about
This is a skit.
this orange?
This is a
Everything.
skit.
Brian,
What?
I ate one whole orange, plus I ate another fourth of an orange. So how many fourths?
Full.
5. That's a lot bigger than my whole, isn't it? So, let me
Yeah,
show
put
you.
yours in your fist.
This is my belly. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. So I've eaten a whole one so far. Am I done?
No.
Raise your hand, tell me how many more I need.
You ate one more. You ate 5 oranges.
I've ate 5 pieces of an orange.
That's okay.
So how many whole oranges did I have here? Raise your hand.
1/4.
How many whole oranges did I have?
5.
How many did I eat?
What? 5 whole.
I heard somebody say 1. So I ate 1 whole orange, plus I took a piece from this other one.
1 plus 1.
Oh. 1 plus.
I thought you meant how many pieces he ate.
So here's 1/4, look up here. Here's 1/4,
My stomach is starting
Thomas.
to feel weird.
there's 1/4. There's 1/4. I know you can't read my writing, so I'm just gonna do this. 3, 4, 5. So I have
And your
5
stomach's really small for that.
fourths.
That is not true. So you ate 9 oranges?
Is this
Your
number,
stomach's this big.
this number represents, guys look up here,
is this big.
gentlemen, look
Yeah.
up here. This number represents how many pieces I ate. Call that the
5.
numerator.
5.
This represents how many parts I have
4.
to my orange.
4.
So I've eaten 5 fourths, or 5 pieces. Right?
No.
I've eaten 5 pieces that are in fourths. We're going to do another one.
What are whiteboards? I passed him the marker though.
I'm going to set these. I set these.
In my mouth. No, seriously. I'm not lying.
Yes.
Okay,
In my
while,
mouth?
gentlemen,
Grandma
boys,
can see this. Yeah.
gentlemen.
He just really want a blood orange.
All right. I really want us to have that fruit at the end of our
Except
lesson.
for me.
It's getting hard for me to get to the end of the lesson. Why would that be?
No, but it's because we're messing around.
Because I hear too
No.
much chatter.
Then you know what?
I'm
not
So, my next one. We are such pros at looking at cutting an orange into fourths.
Now I gotta see apple.
Now I'm going to make it complicated.
Complicated.
There's an apple cutter.
I
Yay.
have an apple cutter here.
I wanna see how you apple cut it.
Or you can squish it down.
And
Ow, got in my eye. That burnt. Ooh. Whoa.
It looks like a flower.
Wow.
there's one.
That apple looks like a tomato.
There's 2.
Whoa.
All right.
So that's how you do the apple cutting, Miss Armitage. Sometimes you use a knife.
So we got to figure out
It's
what our hole has been broken up into.
Thomas, have a seat, please.
So here's my hole. How many apples am I holding?
7.
No, done.
How many apples? 1,
1.
2. I'm holding 1 whole apple. Now, how many pieces did I cut my apple into?
7.
We're going to find out
9.
here in just a second.
It's 9.
Are we gonna do apple acres?
Count with me.
1, 2,
1.
2.
Here, we'll just do it this way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
9,
Oh, don't count the core guys, that's the thing.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8. I knew it was 8.
So we had
You
8
said
pieces.
7. No. Yes, you did.
9.
I said that was an 8.
So, on this
No,
one,
it wasn't.
gentlemen, on this one, let's count how many pieces I have here, guys. 1, 2,
Just count by 2.
3, 4, 5,
I didn't even do anything. Yes, you did.
7.
I didn't do
I have
anything.
8 here. So here's what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat,
You're gonna eat 16
I'm gonna
pieces?
eat that. I'm gonna eat
Sit down and be
this.
quiet.
So how many
9.
of my 2 apples,
No. 7.
how many apples did I eat?
9. 9, 8.
1 9.
9, 8.
I heard 1, 9.
9 8.
1, 9.
Let's count. I've eaten 1, 2, 3,
9 8.
4, 5, 6,
2. That's
7, and there's 8. So is that one whole apple?
Yes.
Then I had to steal a piece from this apple because I'm
9.
really hungry. So I've eaten 9/8 of my apple. I cut my apple into 8. I ate all 8 pieces of my one apple, and then I needed 1 with this apple. So this is what it looks like. There's apple number 1, there's apple number 2. I cut it like this.
Thomas, sit back. Aiden, sit back.
So there's that. I'm gonna just color all this. There's my 8 pieces,
Thank you, Thomas.
and I need this one over here. And we represent that like this.
8.
9.
I got 1.
I have a hard time writing.
Oh, yeah, 9, 8.
9/8. Because I needed 8 pieces over here, plus 1 piece here. This number represents how many pieces I cut each apple into.
16.
I cut it into 8s, but I had 16 pieces.
8
Right.
plus 9.
Who thinks they're a pro?
I am. I'm not.
We're about ready to find out, because I need us, when I say go, I need us to go back to our desks. And when we go back to our desk, I want you to get a pencil. I want you to put it at the top of your desk. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Go.
Hello.
You're doing that quietly.
18 minutes. This has been on.
We really are. That's really
You're
nice.
not following
Nice job. I love when Johnny has his pencil out already.
Like this, y'all. With a book of paper.
Yeah, do we have our math workbooks in our desk? Or do
No,
we
I
have to
gotta
go
get them.
them?
I gotta get them.
Go get them.
I'll get them.
Oh,
Give me
okay,
just-
Miss Armitage is gonna get them. While Miss Armitage is getting those, we're gonna practice some of what we're doing
I don't know.
at the table.
The page. Hello, my name's Bob. What page are we turning to, Mr. K?
We are going to come
No, you're okay.
17.
to page.
Just wait for him to tell you.
I need us to turn to page 66. Brian, can you please do something, please?
66.
Can you keep it now?
You got 3 dinosaurs, 2 squares.
66.
Forget to raise your hands, guys.
Oh,
me, Mom.
Yes, sir.
And
I love how everyone is so quiet, their voice level is 0. I just took a picture of that. Voice level 0. Okay. I'm gonna take this. This.
Follow directions.
we won't get
Brian.
I need to see your face or face. Here's my expectation. The eraser stays in the base. And if I see it again, I have to borrow it myself. Okay? All right, thank you for being so patient. Do we have our books open to page 66?
Yes.
All right, let's look at this first problem. A, kind of like my oranges and my apples. What if I cut, we'll call this a tomato. How many pieces do I have in each tomato?
2.
2. So my unit fraction is 1/2. This bottom number tells me how many pieces I cut each item into. If we look over here, the total number of pieces that I have shaded. How many pieces do I have shaded there?
5.
5. So my fraction then of the 2 pieces that I cut everything into, I've eaten 5 of them. Let's try C. So we're not gonna do D right now, we're gonna do C. So with C, how many pieces did I cut my pizza into?
6.
I'm looking for someone to raise, thank you Thomas for having your hand raised.
7 of 1.
How many pieces did I cut each of my pizza pies into?
I said 7.
Let's count together. 1,
Oh, 14.
2, 3,
No.
4. We'll start over again, because I'm having a hard time hearing.
One,
1,
2, come on guys.
3, 4, 5, 6. So I cut each of these 3 pizza pies into 6 slices.
Mine
Why is
plus
it
2.
pizza?
So what is my unit fraction?
Mine is 4.
Raise your hand, please. Actually, you know what, for this one, I would like you two to turn and tell each other. I want you two to turn and tell each other what you think our unit fraction is. What do you think? What's our unit fraction?
Look over here, baby.
What do you think it is?
Each five.
How many are,
Let me do this.
how many are not going in? How many are not going in? What did you just count? 4 out of how many in one?
6, 7.
So you think that we cut each pie into 6? So our unit fraction would be 1.
What?
I want to use this pizza please.
No.
Okay, Brian, what was my unit fraction? 6. I cut, oops, each of my pieces, or each of my pies into 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now,
Stop making.
how many pieces did I eat? Those are the number, or those are the squares that are shaded. How many pieces did I eat? I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
I ate 1, or I ate 14. I'm getting it wrong. 14 pieces of pies that I
That's what
cut
he's
into
doing,
6.
Peyton.
So 14, 6. Does that make it clear? And actually, I did this wrong. I should have 14 in that box. I got ahead of myself. So you should be writing what I'm writing. fraction was 1/6. That means we divided our pizza into 6 pieces.
Man, I need that pencil.
14 represents how many pieces
Yay.
I've eaten of all 3 pizzas. So the fraction
Yo, pizza.
14/6 is what I ate.
14 equals 6.
We can sit down.
John, please stop.
And there's,
Just for food class.
but altogether, there is 16.
Okay, I'm gonna come around, make sure everybody has what I have. Thank you. That was my fault.
I didn't know.
Let's see if you're lucky. Let's suit you up, All right, now we're gonna do problem E. Right, Brian? So tell me, how many, what do we want this piece of, what do we want our food to be? Raise your hand and tell me. Rocky, what would you like?
Blueberry.
Blueberry? So I'm gonna have a big blueberry. How many pieces am I cutting my blueberry into?
Oh, 4.
I'm cutting it into 4. So my unit fraction is 1/4. Make sure you get it in the right box. Notice I don't have anything in these boxes. I skipped that problem. How many blueberries do I have here?
4.
How many blueberries do I have?
4.
Let's count our blueberries. This is one,
I mean,
oh wait, go ahead.
9.
That's how many pieces of
We have
the
3.
blueberries. We have 3 blueberries, and what Johnny said was I ate 9 of them. How do you know, Johnny, that I ate 9
'Cause I
pieces of my
counted.
blueberries?
No, wait, no, because I did the math. No, because 4 plus 1 equals 9.
4 plus 4 plus 1 equals 9.
You just have to move the thing.
That's because the shaded parts.
The shaded parts. So that number is 9. Remember, you're going to write what I write. So then my fraction, the 9 pieces I ate,
Is 9, 4.
there's 2 blueberries plus an extra one, gives me 9.
Mr. Blueberry is my president.
Notice I have 3 blank ones. Those 3 you're going to do with a partner. So, you 2 are going to work together. You 2 are going to work together. Thomas, can you turn around? I want you to work B,
No, this time I gotta go to the
D, and
No,
F.
I'm going
B, D, and F. Brian. Brian. Can you turn me this way?
Yeah, B. They're so. And you get to.
Hey, Miss Bonnie, would you mind working with Brian?
No, you still have choose 1,
You
choose
sure?
3. Yes.
But I was 8.
1, 2,
Okay, so
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2 of us.
So we're gonna have to
One,
divide it.
1/8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And 8
Now
pieces,
let's
right?
Now you do the
Right?
counting part.
You divided it into 8 pieces.
Yeah.
1,
Count how many are
3,
shaded in.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So 8. 8 when
Okay, don't
Just
count.
kidding.
Okay.
It's actually.
Okay, then the total you shade 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
And the other one is 15.
15.
Right.
Yeah. I should put this up pretty good.
Okay, then guess what the answer is of the move house.
15.
D.
And then 15.
No, you mean 15, 8.
5. 1.
Yeah. Yeah. Out of 8 of 15. Out of 8,
Above moon box.
we ate
So, what did we break this up into?
15. That's all.
And the total is gonna be 15.
Nice job.
Okay, you get to choose these two.
Ice cream.
Potato.
Okay, ice cream.
So 1, 2.
Now the last one is 5.
So it's gonna be 5. 1, 5. Yeah, I said 1, 5.
Okay, now 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8.
No, that's how much 8 is. Then it's gonna be 8, 5. Right?
I did some of 2.
I wish there was also divided this and this.
Wait, this one is gonna be pizza. No, do you like
That's
pizza?
what we did.
How many,
So right there.
how many
This guy.
Let's
pieces
do
did we cut
something
each one
like
into?
different.
Yeah. What is your favorite? Chocolate chip.
Or unit fraction?
Chocolate brownie.
Ooh,
Third.
chocolate brownie it is. Ooh, yeah, the chocolate brownie. Chocolate.
Yeah, that happens to
So this is gonna be.
even teachers.
No, this is gonna be ice cream edition. No, you choose the flavor. You
Are we
choose.
doing the last one? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, we're doing all the ones that have one box.
We already did the non-chocolate chip. And I already got it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be 1, 3.
I already got the whole thing.
1/3.
This down, nice job.
Yep.
You're taking turns at
4,
doing
5, 6,
I like how
7,
you work together.
7,
This right
8,
here.
7,
How many pieces did we divide each one into?
7.
We did a whole box.
So let's count how
Then
many
we took
pieces.
away one in a box and another one in a box.
How many
and there's
pieces do I
7.
have in this
There's
one?
3,
How many's in this one?
I like how
Well,
you
how many do I break?
2.
Let's count. Not how many do I have shaded, how many pieces do I have? 1, 2, 3 pieces in this one.
But one is not
like a
shaded.
hall.
And one is shaded on the other one.
I just wanna know how many we cut each one into, because that's what you're gonna be, your unit fraction. So this should be 1, 3. Yeah.
that quick.
That gives it.
Can you give us checks
Here,
on these?
can I write my stars? Can I write my
Oh
stars?
man, I was asking for checks. Yeah, extra credit.
And then we could add 100% or an A.
A plus.
See, look, I'm doing this with mine.
A plus. Plus. Got it. A plus plus. This one is plus A.
8.
Plus
5.
plus plus. A plus plus. A plus plus.
B did this one, and I did this one, and I did this one.
Even though it's like,
So I did the post.
A is one.
A is right.
So I did the most.
A plus plus. A plus plus.
All right, let's come back, let's go back to our spots.
Look, I did A plus plus. A plus plus 100%.
Turn to page
67.
67.
Are we doing this as a group or are we doing it as? Can we do partners?
We'll do partners in a little bit.
I love partners.
Now this gets a little bit more
Difficult?
complicated or difficult.
No.
Because now what we have to do, do you remember how I cut up my oranges and how I cut up my apples? Well, now we have to do the same thing. We're going to cut our rectangles or our strips into certain amounts. So on page 67, let's look at the example. 5/3. So there's my 5, there's my 3. I cut each strip into 3. How many do I have shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/3. Now, we have 8/6. So, how many boxes am I going to have to make in this strip? Right.
4.
4?
No, 6.
Ah, there you go, 6. So go ahead and make 6 boxes.
Think of it like when we did area and you were making those lines.
Could I get a,
You don't need to.
I want to make a
It
strip.
doesn't have to be perfect.
I want everything.
As long as you get six boxes, then you're good.
So it doesn't have to be a cube and then minus.
No. So Rocky, you told me to put it, to divide the strip into 6 boxes, right?
And you're gonna shade in 8s.
Before I do that, what do I want to put in this box?